Hello friend, it's Heather here from Ewe Ewe Yarns, and I am going to talk to you today about this awesome shawl that I'm wearing. It's called Tilted Tiles, and it's a beautiful and generous wrap. I'll show you just how big it is in a minute. It fades from color to color. Super fun to knit. So here's the pattern. I'll give you a quick show about that. It's called Tilted Tiles, and you can find it on ewe.com or on Ravelry. You can just type in this name, Tilted Tiles, and this photo should come up and you can download it. It is designed by Ewe friend Meaghan Schmaltz of The Unapologetic Knitter, and she has designed a lot of patterns for us here at Ewe. And this is one of my favorites. Wait till you see this thing. So like I said, it sort of fades from color to color. What? Look at the wingspan on this thing. Oh, it's like wearing a big, cozy blanket. The asymmetrical shawl just wraps so nicely around you. It's like a hug on any day, and it just dresses up any outfit. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and jeans today, and I had a couple compliments when I went to the grocery store. But you can see these stitches. There's a cool lace and garter stitch mix, so it kind of dances along. And then as it fades from color to color, you get these neat patterns that work through. So like I said, this shawl is knit in our woolly worsted yarn, which is an all merino. It's nice and squishy and bouncy. It takes 2 balls of 5 different colors, and I put together a couple of color combos for kits on our website, or just ideas if you want to shop at your local yarn store. I'll give you a rundown. This combo here is the one I'm wearing, and it runs from soft sage to pistachio, teal, forest fern, and charcoal. So it makes a nice cool blend. Or I thought it could look really good in this combo, which is blues and grays. Yes. So it starts out with brushed silver, sky blue, sapphire, midnight, and then into a rich black. I think that'd look good with a ton of stuff. And then we made this fun combo in the reds. The yarns are so bouncy. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. So this moves from wheat to berry, orange peel, red poppy, and there's that red velvet I showed you a little while ago. I thought that would make an awesome shawl if you're like into the pinks and red tones, like I am, in case you couldn't tell. The pattern uses 2 balls of each color of yarn, and like I said, I have kits available on ewe.com, or you can find a local yarn store that carries our yarn and stop in and pick it up for yourself. The pattern is available on our website or on Ravelry. It's called Tilted Tiles. And yeah, it's a great one. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.